You join us today from Hanoi for what promises to be a great day of racing. Yes, it's time for the Vietnam Grand Prix. A lap of Hanoi circuit then, 3.4 miles around the Vietnamese capital. A number of the 23 corners take their inspiration from other great circuits, hopefully creating plenty of passing opportunities. And as always, a man with plenty of racing experience joins me in the commentary box. Today it's Anthony Davidson. Tell me, Ant, you're no stranger to surviving the melee of turn one. So how do you keep out of trouble when there's so much going on around you?
There are three main things to worry about there, Crofty. Positioning, awareness and discipline. First, you have to put your car in a bit of space and make sure you have room to react to what the others are doing. Then you have to watch your mirrors and listen to the sounds around you to get a sense of where everyone is. And finally, just don't get too greedy. Just because a gap exists doesn't always mean you should go for it.
Let's run you through the driver grid order for today's exciting race. Sebastian Vettel has a clear track ahead of him today. He starts in pole position, and Lewis Hamilton completes the front row. Looking at the rest of today's grid, we have Leclerc, Verstappen, Valtteri Bottas, and Albon, Ocon, Magnussen, Perez, and Daniel Ricciardo. Norris, Stroll, Romain Grosjean, and Sainz, Kvyat, Gasly, George Russell, and Antonio Giovinazzi, Raikkonen, and Nicholas Latifi. And with lights out just moments away, it's time to go down to the track.